Have you ever wondered if the mantra every 3,000 miles for car tune-ups still holds up? Let's unmask this and delve into the juicy details of regular tune-ups versus extended intervals. Both have their own perks and pitfalls. Regular tune-ups are like the Monday morning coffee of car maintenance, a much needed boost to keep your vehicle running smoothly. They generally occur every 3 to 5,000 miles and involve oil changes, tire rotations, and more. This frequent care approach can drastically reduce long-term repair costs. By addressing small issues early, you avoid massive bills later. It's like flossing for your car. Annoying, but worth it when you dodge that cavity or engine failure. That with a regular tune-up, the peace of mind is undeniable. You're less likely to stall on a busy highway or face unexpected breakdowns. In Portland, with its seasonal weather, those regular checks can be a lifesaver for your car's health. Now let's talk about extended intervals. Some car manufacturers recommend them, advising at impressive intervals like 7,500 to even 10,000 miles under certain conditions. Think of it like stretching your grocery trip a bit longer than you normally would. The appeal here is obvious. Less frequent visits to the mechanic mean more time and less hassle. Fewer appointments can seem like a gift amidst our busy lives, like daring to skip a few work meetings, deliciously freeing. However, there's a catch. Riding on extended intervals may mean you're unknowingly riding on thin ice. While saving time, you might be risking missing early signs of wear and damage. It's like skipping doctor checkups and hoping for the best. For older cars or those with high mileage, extended intervals might not be the best choice. It's comparable to just trying to make an old laptop run forever without any updates or maintenance. Not quite effective or smart. The extended interval strategy works best for newer cars designed for it, where oils and parts have improved durability. But even then, local conditions like Portland's rain can impact this, requiring you to rethink stretching those miles. Pro tip, always check your car's manual for the manufacturer's maintenance guidelines. About, quote, it's your secret weapon to calculating the safest yet most efficient interval for your vehicle. Whether you choose regular or extended, consistency is key. Each approach needs attention and care, like nurturing any long-term relationship. Both options provide value in different contexts, shaped by driving habits and conditions. Ultimately, weigh your lifestyle, vehicle type, and priorities. Regular tune-ups offer security, while extended intervals offer convenience. Choose what best aligns with your needs. But remember, your car's love language might just be a good oil change.